Welcome to J&J Upholstery. Here I have this plush lounge. Have to repair a tear or like an unstitching that's come undone in the seat. I've had to pull off like all these staples along here, unpick all the bottom, unpick all the black underneath, unpick the front here, everything along there, pull the whole thing apart pretty much just to get to one little spot in the back of the seat. It's a big job just to unpick all the staples. Now I've got to unpick all this along here and get to this because it's all stapled along there. Fold this back and unpick again. I've unbolted the arms. As you can see, the arms and the seat are together, so that's dropped down there. So once I unpick along here, that'll drop out. Then I'll have to unpick inside here to pull the seat out, as the seat down here is come apart, so I have to unpick that, pull the seat off, put a new piece of fabric there because that's only calico. It's a bit cheaper fabric, that's why it's come apart. I'll put some better fabric on there and then put it all back together. J&J Upholstery.